Back in the garage this morning after I painted that door last night. Next job is to polish up that door shut and to fit the door. Once the door's fitted, I'll finish up prepping the side of the car and then I'll get it masked up ready for paint. So in case you haven't noticed already, the rear door for the car is wrong. The one I've got is about 3 inches longer. So now I'm going to repair this door. Well, I sorted that old door, not a problem. I just can't believe that the donor door that I got for the car didn't fit. Easy mistake, I guess. Looking at it, I could hardly tell. I mean, I looked at it on the listing and it looked identical. Even when I got the door here, it was delivered, it looked identical. Even when I prepped it up and painted, it looked identical. It was only until I come to lift it on, I find out it's about 3 inches too long. So no negative comments, please. Easy mistake. I've rectified the problem now by repairing the old door. I didn't think, well, I didn't really want to have to repair this door. I thought it was a bit too far gone, the frame was bent, but I've managed to straighten it all out now, and it's looking good, so it's now ready for some paint. I've got the colour built up and I've put a drop coat on there now, so the next job is to get some lacquer on it. Well, that's looking good. So that lacquer's gone on nice enough. I'll leave this now and I'll come in the morning. I'll give this a flat off, a polish up, and then I'll build the car up. But in the meantime, I'm going to go in the back room and I'm going to wash my guns. Well, it's a thirsty Thursday morning and we're back in the garage. The weather is absolutely terrible outside. It's cold, wet and damp. It's that time of year, we're in October and the cold weather's certainly on its way. Anyway, back to this job. The paintwork's all gone off. And the next stage, what we're going to be doing is wet flatting all the paintwork. So that's sanding it, taking it back, getting any bits out of it. And then we're going to polish it back up. Once all that very time consuming wet flatting and polishing up's done, it'll then be time to put the car back together. So I'm going to get cracked on, I'm going to get some warm water and I'm going to wet flat the car down ready to be polished. Now I've got all the wet flatting done, it's time to buff it up with a polisher. Right, she's polished. So now I'm going to get this demasked and then start the build up. I've demasked the vehicle and I've started putting it together. So simple things first. Repeater on. I put the door handle in. That was a pain in the ass. I forgot to put this on, so I've had to take that pin out and put that on. I'm going to have to adjust the door as well, or one of the doors at some point, because one of the doors is higher than the other. So that you can see that front door is slightly higher. I'll get the rubbers on and see what they're both like. But it may be that one of them needs adjusting. Anyway, I'm going to crack on and get a bit more done. This is a fuck on. The next bit I need is this lower door mould, and you'll never guess where it is. That's all the trim on. Could probably do with a bit of a buff and a polish. There's a few marks on it. I'll probably run the buffer over that later on. Next I've got to sort this mess out and put all the trim back together there. Fix this wiring up, sort the wiring out. That's for the airbag. There isn't an airbag on this model, but there's an airbag on the inside of this door. Obviously that won't be in use on this car. So I'm going to get cracked on and I'll sort that out next, and then I'll put the trim on the inside of this door. So I've come to put the door card on, and it looks like that airbag unit's going to need taking off. That's not going to go on there like that. Hopefully there's no live going to this. This door card should go on now. Just going to give this side another quick polish, and then I'll give it a clean down. give it a bit of a clean. Look at the sheen on that. Turtle wax dashing glass, Halfords. Don't know how much it is, probably about 8, 9, 10 quid. Got this the other day. I'll give it a try on the wheels. Bah, yeah, that's good stuff. Just put some of this tyre titty on as well. I put another coat of wax on. And I've given it a bit of a clean inside. Look at them switches, look, for the seat. It's got loads of switches and gadgets in this old bus. What's this? Blaarpunkt. Wonder if it works. Right, well, that's this job done. Just these taking back to the customer now, really. I hope you like the video. I hope you appreciate the time that it took me to do the video, the time I put into it, you know, all the effort, so you could see what goes into these repairs for these customers, these wonderful, lovely customers. Yeah, I hope I get some subscribers, as I say. I do deserve some, I think, and if not because you like the videos I do, well, Christmas is coming soon and I'll be doing some fantastic giveaways. I've got some merch on its way, some good stuff this year, better than last year. And I'll be doing some little free competitions. You'll be able to win them, win some bits and bobs I've got closer to Christmas. Yeah, and just keep watching the channel and you'll see the videos come up and I'll show you, you'll be able to enter the competitions and I'll pick out some names for people and you can win some bits and bobs. With all that said and done, I don't think I'm going to get this car took back tonight. With the shitty weather, it's absolutely pissing down outside. And I don't think it'd be very fair to take the car back to him covered in shit. Wet shit, mud all over it. He needs to see the repair, doesn't he? He needs to see it's been done right. See it nice and shiny. Hopefully the weather's a bit better tomorrow, and I'll take it back tomorrow. So yeah, our lass is waiting for me in the house, and I think I'm going to go in there and get changed and take her out for some food. It's Friday night. I might just stay in here a bit longer. Anyway, I'm going to go and take her out. And you all have a good weekend. Well, I hope you've had a good weekend. It'll probably be Sunday when I put this on, when I air this. So, whatever. I hope you've had a good weekend. Have a good weekend. See you in the next video.